Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Apeks Nitrox DST first stage. So the DST is probably one of my favorite first stages because it's a nice shape and size. It also has the benefit of a swivel turret for your low pressure hoses. So that just means that hose routing is much simpler and much neater and gives you a bit more flexibility and less tension on your hoses. So this is the Nitrox clean version of the DST, as you can tell by its bright yellow and green coloration. So this is made in a really clean environment using special O-rings and special greases. So this can go all the way up to 100% oxygen if you need it, as opposed to the standard one, which only goes up to sort of recreational 40%. This can go to whatever percentage that you want. So if you are doing accelerated deco or if you are using pure oxygen, then yes, you can use this first stage. As such, it will come fitted with a M26 thread, so you have to use either an adapter or of course an M26 valve. It's only available in the sort of DIN configuration. Okay, so it comes with 4 low pressure ports. One of them will have this kind of red blank. You won't have a port plug for that, just because if you ever turn the gas on, you'll never get this off without drilling it off. So there'll always be a port open. But yeah, just take out the plugs that you don't need, fit the hoses onto that. The 4 low pressure hoses come on a swivel turret. The only downside to this is when a hose is fitted, it won't rotate over the DIN wheel because that's just a little bit too close. It's not a big down point, but it is worth noting. And then we have 2 high pressure ports, one coming out at either side. So you can use this for a single cylinder, you can use it for a stage cylinder, it'll be nice and neat, the hose can route downwards. And again, you can use it for twins, sort of mirror images of one another. It's a smart little first stage. It's environmentally sealed, cold water and all that kind of stuff. It's overbalanced, so the deeper down you go, the more gas it will be able to deliver. So that's a nice feature, especially if something goes wrong under the water. Very tough, very smart. I've always liked the Apeks DST. This is the Nitrox version of the Apeks DST first stage. Thanks for watching. Safe dive.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.